over 7.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay, guys, so let's go. This should have only took you about 5 minutes. Remember to follow BOMDAS rules. That's rule number 1 with these questions. Second thing, change everything to fractions. So this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. 1 times 7 plus 4 should give you 11 over 7. Divided by 2 over 3. We're gonna just divide or multiply right away. We're gonna say multiplied by 3 over 2. So we're flipping that. Minus 7 times 1 plus 5 is 12 over 7. Make sense? Multiply the denominators. You should get 14. Cross multiply 11 times 2 should give me 22.
3.
3. Then
3.
what do you mean by 3?
3. Wait, sir,
Oh,
what are
whoops,
you
sorry about that,
doing?
dude. Sorry about that, dude. Oh man, I'm tired. Sorry about that. I was subtracting. All right, so 7 times 2 is 14, then 11 times 3 is 33, minus 12 over 7, right? So this is really easy as well. I would just multiply here and here by 2 because it's over 14. So we're going to end up with 33 over 14 minus 24 over 14. And this is easily going to give me 9 over 14. And that's my answer, right? Very easy. It's a very, very easy question. Try to get these 2 marks. If you can't get these 2 marks, don't worry. Okay, there's almost 118 more marks in the paper. But try to get those 2 marks because it will give you some momentum for the next question. And the next question now says, when Megan started working, right? Just like how when you guys start working, she was paid $85 US a week. I'm assuming that this is US dollars a week. After 6 months probation, her pay was increased by 20%. So how much was she paid after the increase? So I'm just gonna multiply this by 20%, right? Which would be the same thing as 1 over 5. 5 goes into 85 how many times? I would say 17 times.
17
times.
And then I'm just gonna say 85 plus 17 would give me my answer, and that would be 92. Well, sorry, 102. $102. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm so easy, like Sunday morning. Okay, this is a very easy question. So guys, that was a breeze. We're doing this in a time condition now. That should have took you 5 minutes. So let's go down now to the next part of the question, right? This should take you, ratio. This should also take you 5 minutes. So let's do this in about 5 minutes as well. This should take you 5 minutes too. So let's go ahead again, guys. Let's get going, everybody. Let me ask some people their answer. Let me make sure everybody is active in this class. Timing working with, guys. So now I do not know it though. So Alexia, I'm going to want the answers from you. Who else? Denise, I'm going to want the answers from you. Dominique, I'm going to want the answers from you. And TJ is here. Where is TJ? Scroll down. TJ not here. Oh yeah, TJ is here. TJ, I want the answers from you. Come on, guys. This should only take you 5 minutes. The topics are easy. Significant figures, standard form, percentage increase. Too easy, lemon squeezy. Finish up.
The II, right?
Yeah.
done. Oh, done.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We're practicing.
Definition.
I expect you guys to do well this year. Denise is a totally different ball game. Ajani, honestly, guys, I just telling you straight up. I expect everybody to do well. Just do your best. You know, just do your best. Just do your best. Denise is a totally different setup this year. Do your best. Ajani, you were supposed to be from last year to me anyway. Do your best.
Last year. You're funny, sir.
You could have done it last year. You could have. I uploaded some videos to YouTube today and you were in the recordings, bro. Like you're here a long time. You're here from last year's CXC time, you know.
I know.
You're on a long time there, bro. Long time there. Should be finished now, guys. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Only about 20 seconds left. Easy questions. We should be finished them.
One time now.
All right, guys. Only 10 seconds left. Let's just start. So guys, the first one says the population of 2015 correct to 3 significant figures. The population in 2016 is 3,663,900. I will need to put this into 3 significant figures, right? So Dominique, this is how we do it. 3 significant figures would mean these 3. So we need to make sure that there are only these 3 left. Does that make sense, guys? So we're going to look at the 3 plus 1th place, which is the 4th place. And this is the 4th figure. Is 3 greater than or equal to 5? No, it's not. So because 3 is not less than 5, the answer should be 3,660,000. And that's the answer. Make sense? You don't understand this? If you don't understand this, the greatest math teacher in Jamaica has a YouTube channel. And you can go on this YouTube channel and you can search significant figures, right? Now, unlike all the other math teachers that use their books, I have a complete video on significant figures here. So if you don't know it, the best math teacher in Jamaica says to go to his channel and search it up. Cool? A joke. But seriously, guys, you can watch the video. I think I explained it really well in the video. And would anybody like me to send this video into the group if you don't understand it?
Yes, sir.
So I'll send it into the group now to make sure that you guys get it. Because if you don't understand it, watch the video. I explain it very well with many different examples in there. So I'm gonna just send it And I'm going to continue to do this as we continue to work these out, guys. Hopefully you guys can join me tomorrow. I know that some of you guys have exams. For those who do, you don't have to join me live on YouTube tomorrow. But tell your friends, guys, that are going live on YouTube tomorrow, and we will finish the rest of the questions in this paper. Cool? So that's significant figures. The next one now, guys, is standard form. It says write 1965 in standard form. 2,714,000. And we need to write this in standard form. So guys, standard form is easy. You need to make sure the number is between 1 and 10, right? That's where the number needs to be. It has to be between 1 and 10. So if it's 2 million, you carry the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, something right to this. There's something missing. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the left, because you need to put the point there, and it should be 2.71400, right? Multiplied by 10 to the 6, and this is the answer in standard form, right? So this should be the answer. You don't have to put the 3 zeros if you don't want to, so you can put 2.714 times 10 to the 6, and that's your answer. And once again, your math teacher has a video on this, right? So let me go back to my channel again, and I'm going to search standard form, which a lot of people don't understand, right? And I suggest that if you don't understand standard form, please watch this video. Please, I'm begging you, right? There are lots of people who don't understand it. You don't have to express you not understanding it in class. I know that some people don't. If you don't, watch the video, right? That would help. The last one now says, determine the percentage increase in population from 1965 to 2015. And what am I gonna tell you guys to do that? Guys, when it comes to population increase, the answer is new minus old over old, okay? New minus old over old. All right, so that's what you need to do. New minus old over old. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna multiply new population, which is 3,663,900, minus it from the old population, 2,714,000, and we're going to put it over the old 2,714,000, and we're gonna multiply that by 100. So what did you get, TJ?
35%.
35%. Is that correct? Let me check it. Boy, Alfie. Boy, Alfie. Let me check it, guys. 3,663,900.
Come on, sir, right?
Yeah, man, it's right. It's right. Well, now I overthink it. Well, no, let me overthink it still. I just want to check it again. Where's my calculator? Where's my calculator, man? I'm pretty sure my calculator is on a place. All right, I don't want to waste time. It's 35% though, guys. Let me just double check though. 2,714,000 divided by 2,714,000. Okay, 35%. So that's correct, guys. So let's move on. Denise, I'm so sorry about your brother dying. To be honest, if my brother died right now, I'd just mash up. I don't even think I'd be able to teach classes, to be honest. I'd just be out of commission, but do it for him, Denise. Do it for him. Do it for your brother. I'm really sorry to hear. But keep your head up, keep strong, you know. I know how it feels. When I had exams, my cousin died like a couple days after. I was crying through most of my exams, to be honest, for CXC. It was really a rough time. Alexia, you got these right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's move on. Denise, do it for him. Do it for him. Do it for him, right? All right, so guys, let's do this one now. No, let's not do that one right now. Let me try to How do I get all of these on the board at the same time now? It's kind of hard, eh? Oh boy. All right, guys. So do this one right now, please. And I'm going to give you 2 minutes. This one really don't deserve more than 2 minutes. So guys, do this one in 2 minutes, please. 2 minutes. Let's get going. It's a ratio question. Very easy. Ratios are very easy. Please take 2 minutes under this one. And then move on to number 2.
Sir, is there supposed to be something on the screen?
You're not seeing anything on the screen?
Yeah, it's just a black screen.
Is that just you? Is everybody seeing a black screen right now?
No.
Oh boy, Ajani, you seen anything it changed for you now?
No, sir, hold on, sir. Let me refresh real quick.
Yeah. Okay. Pep Guardiola.
Okay, I can see now.
What's going on, Daniel? You good? All right, guys. So let's do this question. This is a very easy question. It only should have took about 2 minutes. It says the ratio of teachers, the ratio of teachers to male to female students is 3. Oh boy, that's too thin. Yeah, 3 to 17 to 18. So that's the ratio of teachers to male students to female students, right? And the total number of students in the school is 630. Sorry. Determine the number of teachers in the school. So this is really easy, guys, right? This is really easy. This is what you call a super easy question, right? So that's the ratio, guys. The ratio is teachers are 3. Male is 17 and then female is 18, right? So that would mean, guys, that let's just add all the 3 of these together. When you add the 3, the 17 and the 18, you should get a total of 48, right? And if we add this 17 and 18, guys, that would mean that 45 over 43 multiplied by x, right? X, which is the unknown, right? We don't know. We don't know how many teachers. Sorry about that, guys.
Sir,
Yeah,
38.
So sorry about that, guys. Yeah, it's 38. Sorry about that. I'm tired. Yes, so it's 38, guys, right? 17 plus 18, 20 plus 18 is 38. Sorry about that. So we don't know how many we don't know how many right, we don't know how much total people are in the school, right? So the ratio total is 38, but we don't know how many people are in the school. X would represent the total number including teachers, right? So total with teachers is equal to X, right? So 35 over 38 times X would give me 630. And that makes sense because remember, teachers only represent 3 out of the 38. So what's left is 35 out of 38. So X is going to be equal to 630 multiplied by, I'm going to divide the right side by 35 over 38, right? And if I divide the right side by 35 over 38, I'm going to end up with 38 over 35. And then I'm going to just multiply it out. What should I get now? Let me ask somebody.
Sure.
What should I get for my x, Courtney? What should I get for my total?
Sir, 54.
54? I don't think so. Let me bring up my calculator and work it out with you guys. Let's work it out. So 38 times 630 divided by 35 is 684. Make sense? So that's the total. The total number with the teachers, is equal to 684. That's the answer. Well, no, that's not the answer. That's the total with the teachers. So 684 minus 630 will give us the total with the teachers. Make sense? So we're gonna end up with 54. So that's why Courtney was saying 54 is equal to the teachers. It's 54 teachers. Cool? And that's the answer. It's an easy question. This is how I would work it out. Hey, good night, Daniel. What's going on, man?
Oh, good enough.
Good, good. Man City with a trophy, so you're good. All right, let's see if we
Nah,
can
man.
win it next season. All right.
For sure.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie, Haaland really add a lot to the team still. I think Man City might be complete next season still, because
I'm glad.
Sir, the Premier League is not Premier League again. So I tell everybody, say, yo, if Harry Kane go City or Haaland go City, that's done. That's done.
I don't think it's so simple because
Yo, just give
I don't
City
think
the
it's that
Premier
simple.
League title from now.
I don't think it's that simple. I don't think it's that simple.
No,
We'll
you
see.
so you still have fight with it, but it's just that it might be a force to reckon with. Better you say that.
Well, we'll see. You know, honestly, I think that these new footballers are not humble at all. I think Mbappe is a complete idiot. I'm sorry. I think he's an idiot.
Yeah, La Liga say them want to.
And I think that Haaland is also pretty arrogant as well. When I was playing football, guys, you had humble people like Messi, like Ronaldinho, like Roberto Carlos, you know. No, Cristiano not humble either, you know. You had humble players who were extremely good. You know, Zidane was actually the best in the world at many points. And Zidane wasn't behaving that way. So I don't know. Things are just different now, guys. There's a lot of talk now and less action. We'll see, you know. But guys, let's do this question. This question should take about, let me see if there's anything else. It should take about 5 minutes as well too. This is a really easy question, but sorry to say it, but questions like these usually take about 7, 8, 9 minutes though. But this one is super easy, guys. Let's get this one done as well. Let's get going. This is a very easy question. They made this question so easy that year. Like they made this question really easy last summer. To get marks for this, man, this is just so easy. I don't know. I don't know how this could get any easier. Number 2, guys, let's get going. Five minutes might be too much for a question like this. God knows. It's really easy, bud. All right, guys. So I'm actually going to stop this at about 3 minutes because this is the easiest question I've seen in years. Like, it's just ridiculously easy. I think everybody should be done in about 3 minutes. It's too easy. All right, 5 minutes is too long for this. It's way too long. I don't want to waste so much time. We don't have all the time in the world to go through these 3 questions. We need to do them. And this is just easy. If you don't understand this, you might have to watch one of my videos again. Did everybody get this one all right? Did anybody not get this right? This is just too easy. So let's start working this out, guys, because it's just ridiculously easy. And even a 5-year-old could do this one. Find the value of t. Find the value of n when t is 49. Easy. N is equal to the square root of t. If the square root of, if t is 49 and it's the square root of 49 and the square root of 49 is 7. So n is equal to 7. Very easy. I don't even, why, I don't know how people give marks for this. I would have never said this. I'd give no marks. Then the next one says, make t the subject of the formula. Guys, if you have n is equal to the square root of t, the only way you can make something the subject is find the square of both sides. That's the only way you can get rid of the square root. So if you have a square root, guys, if you have a is equal to the square root of b, the only way to get rid of that square root is to square both sides. You should know that. I'm pretty sure I've taught everybody this. Maybe not everybody, but I've taught most people this still. You know, maybe the new people who came in the last month or 2. But this is easy, bud. So you're gonna end up with n squared is equal to t. So the answer is t is equal to n squared, right? That's the answer. And please, guys, put ANS beside your answer. If you don't put ANS beside your answer, just imagine me boxing in your head top in the middle of the exam, all right? Because I told you to put ANS. It make you look smart. It make you look like you're Einstein Jr. Cool. So very easy, very, very easy question. It can't get any easier than this. And we're going to move on now. So let's move on to this one. And to be honest, I think I might give you guys 10 minutes for that one, because truth is, this is hard this year. This was a hard question. And a lot of people did not get this question this year. So I'm going to give you guys 10 minutes for this one, right? And then after the 10 minutes, I think I'm gonna give you a little break. We'll watch a little popcorn and take a little break because
Different artists, different artists.
yeah, this is just hard. I was actually, when this question came out last year, I was pissed. When I saw the paper and saw this question, I was like, why? Like, who said this? You know? But it was kind of hard still. It really was. So I'm gonna give you 10 minutes for this one because this one never easy, Dread. It never easy. It's very abstract. It's what I call an abstract question. So when you're doing this question now, guys, just think, be creative, you know, open your mind because it's not so easy. This one not so easy. Somebody said play some Chronic Law. All right. Well, boy, Chronic Law have too much. Boy, Chronic Law too evil in a brother. Chronic Law go hell in a bro. I rate him going still.
So I'm not evil, man. I'm just not for make a whole mate, you know?
The man evil, bro. The man evil. All the 6 man them evil still.
No, sir, like chronically I'm not evil, sir. I just talking about day-to-day facts where it happen in life.
Ah, so that man evil, bro. Some people evil in a bro. You have to watch the evil people. Them. All right, guys, 10 minutes, and then we'll take a break. Do this one in 10 minutes, guys. Let's go. We put a couple people on the board. Jada, I don't see you in a while. I haven't seen you face to face. I think you have a clash. Who else? Let me ask. Kimmy. Kathy Lee. Who else? Where should I ask? O'Neill? O'Neill.
Yes, sir.
O'Shea. to ask you guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We can do it. We can do it. I know we can do it in the name of Jesus. Let's go.
Sir.
All right, guys. So I think I gave you guys more time. So let's talk about this one for a second and then take a break. All right. It says here, write an expression in terms of X for Jim's age and Chris's age. Ali is X years old. So let's just say that Ali, let's just talk it out. Talk out these ones, guys. Talk them out. Ali is X age. Jim is 5 years older than Ali. So that's X plus 5, right? Age. Am I right, guys?
Yes.
Chris is twice as old as Ali. So Chris is 2X. Make sense? Write an expression in terms of X for Jim's age and Chris's age. So Jim is X plus 5 and Chris is 2X, right? It says in 2 years' time. In 2 years' time. In 2 years' time. Remember, 2 years' time, Ali would have be X plus 2, don't. Jim would have be X plus 5 plus 2, don't. Chris would have be 2 plus 2, don't, because 2 years gone. Does that make sense, guys?
Yes, sir.
So it says in 2 years' time, the product of Ali's age, so Ali's age should be X plus 2 by then, and Chris's age should be 2X plus 2 by then, will be the same as the square of Jim's present age, right? Jim's present age is X plus 5, don't it? It's a Jim's present age. Jim's age in 2 years is X plus 5. sorry, Jim's age in 2 years is x plus 5 plus 2, but Jim's present age is x plus 5, don't it? So they are saying that x plus 2 times 2x plus 2 is equal to, let me write that in white over here, is equal to x plus 5 squared. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense to anybody?
Yes, sir.
So let's
Yes,
work it
sir.
out. Let's work it out now. X times 2x would give it 2x squared. X times the 2, sorry, I don't like how that one look. X times this 2 would give me plus 2x. 2 times this x would give me plus 4x. And 2 times this 2 would give me plus 4, right? That's the left side. The right side is going to end up being x plus 5 squared is going to give me, let me just write it out this way. It might be kind of weird to write it that way. X plus 5 times x plus 5, this is going to give me x squared. X times x would be x squared. X times 5 would be plus 5x. 5 times x would be plus 5x. And 5 times 5 would be plus 25, right? So we need to put everything on one side now, guys. All right, we need to put everything on one side. And when we put everything on one side, guys, well, let me kind of move these, guys. Let me move these. Sorry, guys. So let me write it up here. Let me write those ages up here. Chris is 2x and Jim is x plus 5, right? Let me put a plus 2 here for, okay. So if we write this out, guys, let me just write it out again. X plus 2 times x plus 2. Sorry, not x plus 2. Sorry, x plus 2 times 2x plus 2 is equal to x plus 5 times x plus 5. When we write this out, we're going to end up with 2x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 25. Carry everything over to the left side now, guys. We're going to end up with 2x squared minus x squared. We're going to end up with plus 6x. 2x plus 4x will give me plus 6x minus 10x plus 4 minus 25 is equal to 0. So we're going to end up with exactly what they have here, the equation that they ask us to prove, and we're going to end up with x squared minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So we know that the answer is correct. Make sense? Make sense, everybody? Does that make
Yes, sir.
sense, guys? So this one was an easy question if you're good at mathematics like me, right? If you love math from your born and all you think about is math most of the time, then this would be an easy question. If you don't like math and math is not really the best thing to you, then this question would have kind of rough still. So I really was kind of annoyed when this came because I never thought that a factorization needed to be so wordy. I was really annoyed, but still a good
Sorry,
question.
can
Same
you
way.
go over it one more time?
All right. Let me go over it one more time. I know I'm tired, you know, but I'll go over it one more time still. So let's just talk about it one more time. Let me go over it one more time. Cool. Let's just read it again and go over it one more time. It says here that Ali's age is X years. So Ali right now, O'Neill, how old are you, right? Who told me to go over it? O'Neill? Who told me to go over it? Speak up or forever hold your peace. Who told me to go over it? Zachary. All right. So Zachary, how old are you right now, Zachary? Check. Zachary is 17. So guys, imagine Zachary is 17 years old, but let's say age is X, Zachary. Chris is 2X, and Jim is X plus 5. It's kind of really obvious. Jim is 5 years older than Ali, so it must be X plus 5. Chris is twice as old as Ali, hence a 2X. So an expression For Jim's age, x plus 5. For Chris' age, 2x. Now it says in 2 years' time, and guys, clearly in 2 years' time, we'd have to add 2 to the current age, because 2 years from now, Zachary, you're going to be 19, don't it? So you'd have to add 2. Cool? When them say 2 years from now. So it says in 2 years' time, the product of Ali's age and Chris' age, in 2 years' time, Ali is x plus 2. The product means multiply, right? So if you multiply Ali's age, which is x plus 2 in 2 years' time, and Chris's age, which is 2x plus 2 by that time, it should be equal to Jim's present age squared, which is x plus 5 squared. So if we work it out now, x plus 5 squared is the same thing as x plus 5 times x plus 5, right? And if you open out the brackets and subtract the right side, right? Let me just write left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. And if I put everything on the right-hand side and say left-hand side minus the right-hand side, I should end up with x squared minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So I can't bother to do the working out because I'm kind of tired and I want to take a break. And I think you guys deserve a break as well. Cool. The hard part of the question is just determining the ages, meaning the x plus 2 and the 2x plus 2 and the x plus 5 and stuff. Multiplying the brackets, guys, if you cannot multiply brackets, I suggest you go and research how to multiply brackets because, channel, you're really supposed to know that. So guys, we're going to play some Chronic Law, even though he's evil. No, I'm not really playing no evil people right now. Sorry, Daniel, but doesn't really like Chronic Law still. There's one Chronic Law song I like still. I can play that one day, but other than that,
Can't change.
I don't really like Chronic Law, dog. I must sing too much evil things, bro. Like, you know, yeah, I just can't bother. I
They
like.
can't change. Like funny, can't change.
Yeah. Style them, I beat them. That song me like still. This is a good song from Chronic Law. This is a good song. This is a good song. Let me play this one. And then.
Yeah. Urges of sin is dead, and we not finish yet. Come on, on for greatness, long before Guinness make. One. Granny said the wages of sin is dead, and we not finish yet. I know. Hey, them a family, my promise. Amen. The swear so we have to live lavish till the day I vanish. Take a boat, go on foreign if it's slow, not the 14th Paris. Let's go. I own them a blood clot chick like slavery abolished. While I'm a dog, I'm a hawkish, must head with a 14th smooth like polish. Brain food, night chalice. Have it, I'm in the move like novice. Girl loose, night palace. Wonder if I saw Alice. Mommy come true, yeah, goddess. Step, have it from school, my body. Put my hand in the sky, next land for my heart. The G-side, come in and miss when me a hustle now. Running on the mouse and every make a muckle. Every big man get a shot and every pit get a buckle. Queen in the deck, now give me a bitch when me a shuffle. Watch out. Finger strength, quick me flip the muscle. Hardball, fully grip on me not hustle man. Bitch man got a couple bricks in the duff. Now I water my daughter, listen me tell you something. Promise. What do you mean? Swear so we have to live lavish till the day I vanish. Take a boat, go on foreign if it's slow, not the 14th Paris. I own them a blood clot chick like slavery abolished. While I'm a dog, I'm a hawkish, must head with a 14th. Killers to the left and to the right, you never shake. Tell the money what a duffel that a ruffle as my weight. Mama me promise I gon' drop the heavy weight. Fireman solid, so we trying every day till we vanish. Boy, don't fuck with the cabbage. I level college, get our youths get knowledge. I promise, never sell my soul for the lavish. Yeah, while we are kish. Promise. Amen. Swear so we have to live lavish till the day I vanish. Take a boat, go on foreign if it's slow, not the 14th Paris. I own them a blood clot chick like slavery abolished. While I'm a dog, I'm a hawkish, must head with a 14th smooth like polish. Brain food, night chalice. Have it, I'm in a move like novice. Smart the girl loose, night palace. One day for so Alice. Mommy come true, yeah, goddess. Have it from school, my bodies. Put my hand in the sky, next sun for my heart. No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker. Big up the maker cause I this you pray for things for greater. Instigator right in at them for it, foot you fling the laser. Got them down one for ball like we have links to laker. A millions are implicator, we no simple scraper. Me nigga dead a rubber brings so just one thing for safer. I try to infiltrate the paper, you fi build the acre, kill the hater, win the bitches, swing the riches in my favor. Just poverty alone ain't not a thing we're afraid of. In the name of the king, the savior, tell him some promise. Swear so we have to live lavish till the day I find. Take a boat, go for foreign if it's slow, not the 14th Paris. I own them a blood clot chick like slavery abolish. While I'm a dog, I'm a hoggish, must end with a 14th smooth like polish.
Everything okay, guys? Who got disconnected or what? All right, guys. So we should be back in it. I'm not sure how we got disconnected, but we should be back. And we should be okay with that one now. Okay, so the other one now says calculate Alice's present age. I'm gonna give you guys 3 minutes to do this. 3 minutes. Remember they gave us this equation. X squared. They said x squared minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Calculate Alice's present age. So I'm gonna give you like 3 minutes to do this one. This one kind of easy. You just need to solve the equation. So if you can factorize it, factorize it. If you can't, use the quadratic formula. Three minutes for this one, guys. Let's go. Guys, I'm not gonna lie still. Then you say Ali is 7 years old. That's pretty good. Let's check. Honestly, guys, this shooting thing really have me away still. Man, I imagine me in my class I teach my student them, and a man just come in and shoot me and my 18 student them. No, sir, it's not gonna work. You know, man, if I go get a security detail for my class them or something, it's not gonna work, dog. It's just not gonna work, dog. Make it worse if I was teaching little kids, yo. Yo, John Star, it's not gonna work. I'm just telling you guys, that would never happen. That's just never gonna happen. Yeah, I forgot to talk to King Alarm after this or something. Man, nobody trouble my students, no, brother. I swear. I would go jail over my student them still. So make somebody know. America really set away though. America really need kind of. People say Jamaica have a gun problem. I think that's not true. America clearly have a gun problem, star. Come guys, let's do this one. I'm not sure how the Zoom got kicked out. One minute left, guys. Let's do this one. What is Alice's age? Present age. Annalie, you had exams today?
Oh, no, sir. I have exams tomorrow.
We have literature,
No, EDPM.
EDPM. I get a one in that still. I'm speaking it into being.
Yeah.
I can get a one in that one. Good luck tomorrow. All right, guys. So this actually has two answers, you know, don't it? If you factorize this, you get end up with x minus 7 times x plus 3 is equal to 0, don't? This is what you end up with. So x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7, or x is equal to minus 3. But you can't be minus 3, guys. The only people who are minus 3 are the souls that are currently in heaven, waiting to come down to earth. Those are the only people who are minus 3 at this time. Okay. So nobody is minus 3. The most you can be is minus 9 months, right? Because most people birthday start from when they're born, right? So you can't be minus 3. Minus 3 means say you sit down in a heaven with God before you come down or something like. It does not make any sense to be minus 3. So the answer is 7. Ali is definitely 7. And that's the answer. By the way, guys, I kind of want to discuss that. Anytime you have a quadratic formula is equal to 0 and you factorize it, how do you solve? You have to put both of them equal to 0. So if they give you a quadratic formula like this, guys, just like this, x squared minus 4x minus 21. Suppose they just told us solve and find the two answers for x. instead of Ali's age, right? We would have to say x minus 7 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. And then we would put both of these two equal to 0. So x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. And you'd end up with x is equal to 7 or x is equal to 3. Guys, if you look at the equation, let's put 3 in there. 3 squared minus 4 times 3, sorry, minus 3. Minus 3 squared, sorry. Yeah, this is minus 3, this is plus 7. Minus 3 squared minus 4 times minus 3 minus 21 is equal to 0. Let's check. Minus 3 squared should give you 9. Minus 4 times minus 3 should give you plus 12, minus 21, and this is going to give us 21 minus 21, which is equal to 0. So we know that 3 is definitely one of the answers, because if you put 3 in there, you're going to end up with 0. If you put 7 in there, guys, you're going to also end up with 0. So the only two solutions for this are x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3. But the only people who are minus 3, guys, are the souls that have not gone to earth as yet, right? Those are the only people who are minus 3, the people who are yet to be born. Okay. All right. So that was pretty cool. Let's do this one now. 5 minutes. I'm going to give this one 5 minutes as well. Honestly, 5 minutes is even too long for this one. Let me give this one 3 minutes actually, because this is a very, 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 very easy question. It's a very easy question. Very easy. Ridiculously easy. I'm going to ask Annalie to help me out with this one as well. Brandon, I'm going to ask you to help me out as well, because I've taught Brandon this a lot too, actually. And I'm going to ask Azari too, because I've taught Azari this as well. Let me check. Who else? Who else? All right. Who else? Let me ask Delano Young. Delano Young. I don't see Delano right, you know, Delano have an exam today or tomorrow, one or the other. Yeah, man. Delano Young. This is an easy question, guys. I actually put a video on this on my YouTube channel today anyway, so if you're having an issue, you can look at my YouTube channel. It's an easier rated question still. It's easier for it. Ajani? Yeah, I gotta ask Ajani to help me with this one as well.
Sir, you did call me.
Yeah, man, I'm asking you to make sure you know the answer. I gotta ask you guys for the answer.
All right, so
This is a very easy question, man. I swear. Oh, shoot. I shouldn't even give you that one. I wanted the both of these. I wanted the both of them. Sorry, guys. So find the angle and the length of the side. Let me restart the minutes. 3 minutes. For the angle and the length of the side should take you 3 minutes. I mean, the angle should take you 2 seconds actually. You know, to find the size of the angle should take you 30 seconds or less. Probably even 15 seconds. That's how much the first part should take you. The second part now should take you about 2 minutes, because this is an easy question. Really easy. So find the length of the side, RQ, and find this angle over here. You know? Good, 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 Denise. All right, guys, you ready? So the first one, guys, angles in a triangle obviously add up to 180. So 180 should be equal to 62 plus 90 degrees. Here's 90 degrees plus x, right? I always call my unknowns x because x is a nice unknown to use. So 180 minus 62 minus 90 should give us x. So x is equal to 28 degrees. So this is really easy. So here is 28 degrees, right? So Ajani, what did you do for the other part? The length of RQ, they're asking to find down here, right? Down here. So you need to find RQ. So guys, RQ, you can use two different formulas still, but I'm going to use this angle as the opposite angle. I'm going to use this angle because I like to use that angle still. I don't really like to use the other angle up top. So this, guys, over here is the opposite side, and over here is what you call the adjacent side. So it would be best to use cosine. Up here is the hypotenuse, by the way. So it would be best to use cosine for this. So RQ would definitely be cos 28 degrees is equal to cosine. Remember, it's SOH. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And tau is for tan. Tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So cos 28 is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, right? The adjacent side is RQ over the hypotenuse, which is 11. So we're going to end up with, let me just rub this out for a second. We're going to end up with RQ over 11 is equal to cos 28. Multiply both sides by 11 or carry that 11 up here. And you're going to end up with RQ is equal to 11 times cos 28 degrees, right? Now, guys, this is the rare case where CXC give you a trigonometry question in number 3. It's not often, it doesn't happen often, and I don't suggest you focus too much on trigonometry to do the exam. I really don't. I don't think it's gonna come in question 3. This is just a blue moon, to be honest. So Delano, what did you get for your answer for this one for RQ?
So 9.71.
Right, so I think that's the answer. I use cos 28, right? 9.71. Ajani, you got that as well? Azari, Brandon, Annalie, you got that as well?
Yes, sir.
All right, so it was easy.
Yes, sir.
It was easy peasy, it was lemon squeezy. All right, so let's go down no more. So this one now, it's transformation, right? So it says triangle X is mapped onto triangle Y by a reflection. State the equation of the mirror line. Okay. So guys, that one kind of easy. That one kind of easy still. What time is it now? Getting late, eh? 8:46, it's very late. All right, guys, so what you want to do? You want to stop right here and then we'll continue here tomorrow on YouTube Live? You want to do that? No? What do you guys want to do?
Sir, we reach at number 3, right?
Yeah, so you just want to finish number 3, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's a good idea. So let me just do this one straight up though. Let me just do it. Or should I let you guys do it? It's kind of hard to see though. That's the only issue. Let me send this paper into the group again. Guys, please do number 3. Please. Well, it's kind of hard to do, but just do it, guys. Let's get the practice in. Delano is right. Let's finish this question and then YouTube Live tomorrow we'll go with 4, 5, 6. And then YouTube Live Thursday we'll go with 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me send it into the group again, guys. Please do this question. Please do the last part of this question. If you don't understand it, guys, I'm pretty sure I have an enlargement. I'm sure I have an enlargement video on YouTube and a reflection video and stuff. Let's check. Let us check though. Let me check to see the videos I have on YouTube. The wages of sin is death, and we're not finished yet. Why? Why? Massacre don't make no sense in that song, you know. If the wages of sin is death, then we not do no sin, brother. Nah, work out. Too much evil in the dancehall music, you know, I swear. I get tired of dancehall, yeah, man. Huh?
Not chronicler though.
Why, Chronicle evil, brother? I can play some evil song right now for you. Sure of that. I'm on the evil, brother. On the evil. All right, so what am I looking for here now? I'm looking for the enlargement video I have. I don't have an enlargement video. I have an enlargement video. Factorization. I have it, you know. Where is it? Oh, shoot. I need to upload it, don't it? Oh, boy. All right, so I'll upload that still. But, guys, do the question. Please, please do the question. It says here, let me try and see if I can put this in 2 pages instead. 2-page view. Yeah, man. 2-page view. All right, 2-page view, guys. 2-page view. Everybody can see the board well. Yeah, man. 2-page view. So this one says no. This is it on the left. And it says triangle X is mapped onto triangle Y by a reflection. State the equation of the mirror line. Right? Describe fully the transformation triangle X onto triangle Z. Right? Using the vector, label the image V. So you have to add another triangle. And the last one says, enlarge X about the center 10, 0 by scale factor half and label image W. So you have to draw 2 more triangles to add to this. And let me give you guys 10 minutes for this one. Sorry to go over the 1.5, guys, but you know, exams are upon us. So we kind of really want to do as much as we can. We don't really want to loaf it out. We want to try, right? Want to try. So let me put this down here. Jono, kind of want to put the clock somewhere still. Jono dog. Jono dog. Jono dog. Wages of sin is death, and we not finished yet. Tell my family my promise. Swear so we have to live lavish till the day I vanish. Take a boat, go a foreign slope, not the 14 parish. Who them a blood clot trick like slavery abolish? Yo, Jano Star, I really want to put this somewhere though.
Sure, put it over by the triangle Z there.
Ah, yeah, that's smart, bro. That's why I named Pep Guardiola now, bro. The brains. Football brains. What you call that? Spatial ability in a football, you know?
Sir, Pep the too smart still now, cause when the sun too what it burn out him sense then.
Obviously, bro. Not like Pep. Boy, I don't know still. Pep was special better still. Because anybody who can inherit those type of links, yeah man, I'm special. Hey guys, I really love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate all of you who are here with me, battling with me through the last of it. Tell all your friends tomorrow, YouTube live, same time, right at about 7 p.m., 7:30, YouTube live in the night. Do some work again. Cool. Let's just make it fun. Let's just enjoy it. I usually play a whole heap of music on my YouTube live still. Let's just enjoy it, guys. Let's just enjoy the time we have left. I'm probably not gonna see you guys after this. So enjoy the time you have with me left, guys. It's gonna be fun. And yeah, let's just do the best we can. Cool. All right, guys, so let's finish it up now. Thanks for everybody who stayed past the hour and a half. I appreciate that. See, a couple people dropped out, so I go. Some people just don't have the grit. A joke. More than likely, those people have exam tomorrow. So let's finish up, guys. The first one, triangle X is mapped onto triangle Y using a reflection. State the equation of the line. Guys, the line is right here. For the reflection, it's right here. So yeah, the line is right there. So where is that? Where would that be? Somebody help me to answer this one. Where would it be? Isn't that the point where y is equal to 0?
Yes, sir.
That's exactly where it is. On every point on this line, y is equal to 0. You guys notice that? X can be many things. X could be 1, X could be 2, X could be 3, X could be 4, X could be 5, X could be 8, X. But on this line, this is the only place on the graph where y is equal to 0. Am I right? That's the only place. Y is equal to 0. So that's the answer. The next one says, describe fully the transformation which maps triangle X, which is over here, onto triangle Z. Where's triangle Z? Oh, whoops, it's the wrong one. Sorry about that, guys. This is triangle X, and this is triangle Z. So, guys, it looks like a rotation to me, don't?
Rotation 90 degrees.
90
sir.
degrees. And I would say clockwise is this way, right? Yeah. Clockwise is that way. So
Sir,
I would say it's anti-clockwise.
sir, when describing the transformations here, how many things do they want you to state?
They want you to state it's a rotation. They want you to state it's 90 degrees, and they want you to state that it's anti-clockwise.
That's
So
it, sir.
that's it. They don't. All of that would give you the 2 marks. So you need to state what way it turned, meaning clockwise or anti-clockwise. That's what they usually ask for, clockwise or anti-clockwise. In this case, it's anti-clockwise. So you need to state the way it turns, clockwise or anti-clockwise. You need to state the amount of degrees, whether it's 90 degrees or 180 or 270. And you need to state if it's a rotation, a reflection, or a transformation. Make sense? You need to state either is one of these 3, is either 90 degrees, 180, 270, is usually all these 3, and it's either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Right? In this case, it is a rotation for sure. It's not 180 degrees or 270, and it's not clockwise. So that's all you really need to say, and that will give you the 2 marks. Cool? So I love how you're paying attention, Delano. Yo, you're gonna get a grade 1 in it, bro. Just, I'm telling you, just, well, most of my fourth form students always get a grade 1 still. So I only have 1 fourth form student that got a 2. Everybody else got a grade 1. So I expect you to get 1 too. Next one now says, using the vector -7, 1, label image V. So -7, 1 for triangle Y, right? All of these points, guys, the X points, we're going to add -7 to those. So this one is gonna end up here, -7 plus the X. This point is actually what? 6 on the X-axis, -2 on the Y-axis. So we're going to add -7 and 1 to that, right? We need to add those. And we're going to end up with -7 -1, right? So the points that we need, let me put it in another color. The points that we need, 1 is right here, right? The next one, no. We're gonna do the same thing to the other point. This point is what, 4, 4. We need to add -7 to the X and then 1 to the Y. So we're going to end up with -3, which is right here. minus 3, and the other one is going to be 5, right? 5 minus 3 on the x-axis. 5. Is it 5? No, this is a minus 4. Sorry about that, guys. This one is minus 4. So 1 plus minus 4 will give us minus 3 minus 3. So this is minus 3. So this is the next point right here. And then this one, no, this is minus 2. Well, no, that's not minus 2. It's 0 on the x-axis and then minus 2 on the y-axis. So we need to add minus 7 and 1. So minus 7 is going to give us over here, all the way over here, minus 7 for the x-axis, and then it's going to be minus 1. So that's going to be right here. So the next triangle, guys, that you needed to draw, I'm going to make it red, is right here. And this is how the transformation should look. And we're going to call that one image V. Cool. And that's the answer. So that was pretty easy. You just add the vector to the points. It's just such an easy question. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I thought that was easy, actually. I think that was easy. The first two were harder than that, actually. And then the next one now says, on the diagram on page 10, enlarge triangle X about the center 10, 0. So the X point is 10. Ah, Tid, what 10 there? 10? That weird still, man, I lie.
Sir, no, 0.
0? Oh, sorry. It says C. Yo, I need to change my glasses, guys. Sorry. All right, so it's C00. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. So 0 is the point, so it's actually there. So let's draw some lines. Anytime you're doing a scale factor, guys, you need to draw some lines. So I'm going to draw one line right through that one. I'm going to draw another line right through that point, and I'm going to draw another line right through that point, right? And it needs to be half the size, half. So half the size, guys. This point is 4, 4. Divide that point by 2. Let me make it green. Green like JLP green, you know? Prosperity. And 2, 2, that's the point. The next point now would be 6, 2. Divide 6 by 2, I'm going to end up with 3. Divide 2 by 2, I'm going to end up with 1. So 3, 1, which is 3 here, 1. So the next point is right here. And then the last point would be 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So I'm going to end up with a little triangle like this, baby triangle. And that would be the answer. That would be a half. This triangle, let me make it red, would be half of that triangle of X, right? Make sense, guys? Make sense? Let me rub it out a bit and kind of show you. No, I don't need to rub out those. But I need to show that it's definitely half. So the image W in here, so W is equal to half of X, right? And that would be the answer. And that would give you all the marks, guys. Make sense? Kaboom. Boom. We're done, guys. Guys, have a good night. Kind of tired, kind of late. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on YouTube Live. Please tell all your friends.
Okay, have a good day. Thanks for class.
Yeah, man. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Stay safe and God bless. Cool?
Bye, sir.
Bye. See you tomorrow, guys.
All right, tomorrow, sir.
Marcus.
Bye, guys.